Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about the favorites for the month of February. So let's get started with the video. I hope you guys liked my earlier video, and if you haven't watched it till now, then please do check that out as well. Let's get started with the video. So starting off with, I would like to quickly mention this series. It's called Permanent Roommates, and it is by TVF Pictures, I guess that's the name. I'll link that down below in the description box, and I just love it. Like seriously, I love it. I watched the first season of it and it was amazing, and now they have come up with the second season of it, and they have, like, there are just 2 episodes right now. What they do is it's kind of a TV serial sort of a thing, but it is very much different from what we have, like daily soaps. No, they publish it like every 14 days. So if you haven't watched the first season, first go check that out. You can either find it on YouTube itself, or you can also go and check out on their website. It's, I think, TVF Motion Pictures, something like that. I'll just mention it down below. And if you are done with watching the first season of Permanent Roommates, then only go and check the second season, because it's in the continuation, obviously. So yeah, that is one thing I'm really excited about, because it is such an amazing series. I just love it. And it's like a mini story kind of thing in 5 episodes only. So it doesn't take a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of, like, if you are free and if you are just want to chill out, then just go and check that out. So enough of rambling about Permanent Roommates, but I love it so much. Yeah. Let's straight away dig into the products now. Okay, so the first thing up is this Dabur Gulabari Rose Glow Face Cleanser. I've been obsessed by this. Like, I've never tried it earlier. This is my second bottle. I've finished the first one. Since the season is changing, like the weather is changing, it's neither hot, neither it is cold. My skin is combination skin, and I tend to sweat a lot. And at this point of the year, like 2 times, like this time and when the season changes from summer to winters, during these times my entire body just sweat like hell. And for this, specifically for my face, if you guys can see, I have a bit of breakouts right here. It's mainly because if I apply moisturizer, I get pimples. Like, so what I do is I try to keep things really minimal. I don't even use face wash. Sometimes I just use water and just apply it on my face in circular motions, and that is all. Because if I apply moisturizer, if I overdo face cleaning, I'm sure I'll get pimples. So this is one thing I used alternatively, or maybe every day, to clean off my lipstick and my makeup and any dirt on my face, and then I just wash it off with water. It comes with a pump right here, so it is really easy to, like, get it onto a cotton ball and then clean your face. So yeah, really love this stuff. It is not very costly either. It just retails for 85 rupees, and I think you can get it even at a cheaper price online. So love the smell of rose, and love the way it makes my, basically I use it to clean my lips, and it makes them so soft and pink. I just love this stuff. Yeah. Next up for face is this Avon Solution Complete Balance Oil Free Gel Cream. You guys might have seen in some of my makeup tutorials. It's a gel based oil free cream, and it mattifies the face. So the time when I am sweating a lot, this helps me to keep it matte. Like right now also, this area is literally in sweat, so you can imagine how much sweaty I am in this season. Okay, so the next thing is this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. This is how it looks like. It has this pump right up here, so I use it just to, I love the smell of rose, and I just use it to hydrate myself. So yeah, I love this stuff as well, because you know the face needs external as well as internal hydration. So for internal hydration, you have to drink a lot of water, but for external, you can use mist like these. You can create them at home. You can buy them if you don't have time. So yeah, I use this one right now. I'm thinking of creating something, but yeah, right now I'm using this one. Next stuff is for the next up is this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. This is in the shade Bronzed Fame. I am obsessed with this thing. Like, it is a bronzer. Look at this. This is how the pigmentation is. Like, it's a beautiful orangish color, and with this you have to just bronze your cheeks and do not, like, you can skip your blusher after that. Like, it is so good. I just love it so much. For our skin tone like me, this shade is perfect. It's in the shade Bronze Fame, and this is just perfect. I just bought this recently. It's a mirror actually. It's a mirror. uh, it's really cute and I really love it. The doll on this particular mirror, it closes and opens its eye. It's kind of a hologram 3D image. So I really love this. My son though is afraid of it, but yeah, I love it. It's so compact and it has like 2 mirrors in it, so I really love it. Next is this Nature's Company Coconut Lip Pop Lip Balm. Um, it smells as if you're like, it is so coconutty, and I love this because, like, say in the night time, when you have taken off all your makeup and there is nothing on your lips and everything, I prefer using something which is not tinted, and it has coconut. Coconut is amazing. So, and it is transparent, doesn't have any color to it. So this is the best thing in the night time. I just clean up my makeup and everything, clean up my lips, and then just apply it on my lips, and it makes them soft and supple. The added advantage is it's the smell. I just love, as if it feels as if I'm eating a coconut. So yeah. Next, like, I am obsessed with these 2 lipstick all this month. I've been wearing only these and nothing else. One is this Lakme Absolute Matte in the shade Mauve Fix. It's a beautiful mauve color. Just look at that. I've been wearing only this. You guys might have seen pictures of me on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me, just follow me right now. Okay, so and this one is the Lip Par from Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade Everything's Alright. It's a beautiful coral color and it has a gloss as well. So I use both of these and it's such a beautiful color on the lips. I just love it. Love both the lipstick and I've been obsessed with both of them this month. I've been wearing only this and nothing else. The next product is was one of my favorites, but I think I forgot about it and recently I just started using it. Is this Faces Magnetized Kajal. It's amazing. Seriously guys, it's amazing. It's just for 175 bucks and it's so black. In the first stroke you'll get that strong black finish. Love this thing, and it lasts all day. So that's it doesn't smudge, it lasts all day, and it's intensely black. Love this thing, like, to the core. It's just 175 bucks. That's the best thing. It's really amazing. Next on, I want to quickly talk about the makeup brushes that I purchased from Real Techniques. These are the makeup brushes. I've bought them, but I have been started using it recently only. This is their multitask brush, and this is their, I think, crease brush. I don't know. And this is their shadow brush, base shadow brush, and this is their buffing brush. They are so amazing. Like, seriously, they are very, very, very good. And if you are trying, I mean, if you want to buy any kind of makeup brushes, I would highly recommend you guys to invest in these Real Techniques brushes. They are amazing. The last product on my list is this Nivea Creme Soft cream shower, and it has almond oil in it. This bottle is of 250 ml and I love this because it has a beautiful creme scent. It doesn't have, like, it feels as if you are in a shower of cream, and it doesn't dry out my skin at all. Like, I have to apply moisturizer, obviously I will, because the weather is such, but even if I skip it, it doesn't dry out my skin. I feel really soft, so I love this thing as well. Yeah, so that was all that I have been loving all this month. Do let me know by commenting down below what were your favorite products, and I shall check them out as well. Maybe I might start loving some of that. Yeah. Do not forget to check out Permanent Roommates on YouTube. It's just so amazing, and do let me know how you liked it by commenting down below. And even if you don't know, it's in Hindi, and even if you don't know Hindi, I think they have subtitles so you can relate to it probably, but I just love it. If you know Hindi, it is the best thing, the best series ever. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel by clicking on this bubble right up here somewhere, and you'll be subscribed. You can also click the button which says subscribe down below the video and you'll be subscribed then too. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, till then I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.